Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a financial plan with Personal Capital easy tutorial step by step clearly. Go to the Personal Capital website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your basic information, including your email and password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your Personal Capital account. Once inside, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Add Account to link your financial accounts. Select the type of account you want to add, such as bank accounts, investments, or loans. Enter the required login information for each account. Wait for Personal Capital to sync your accounts. Once synced, review your financial data presented on the dashboard. Click on Plan in the menu to access the financial planning tools. Select Retirement Planner to start creating your financial plan. Input your current age, retirement age, and expected retirement expenses. Enter details about your income sources and savings. Use the sliders to adjust your investment strategies and risk tolerance. Review your projected retirement income and expenses. Make any necessary adjustments to your plan based on the results. Explore the cash flow section to analyze your monthly expenses and income. Identify areas where you can save more or invest more effectively. Save your financial plan for future reference. Revisit Personal Capital regularly to update your financial information. Adjust your plan as your financial situation or goals change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.